ng higit 47,000 plus to 81,000 plus per month as waiter and cook sa Croatia with BMW accredited agencies. Hello mga Karikrat, here's Jen. Gusto mo bang makapagtrabaho sa Europe, lalo na sa restaurant or hospitality industry na legal, BMW verified at walang placement fee? Kung isa ka sa mga may experience sa pagluluto or food service, makinig ka mabuti dahil may magandang oportunidad ngayon sa Croatia. So disclaimer lang po, ang Recruit PH po ay hindi po recruitment agency. Layunin lang namin ay magbahagi ng verified information mula sa DMW at iba pang official sources para gabayan ang mga Pilipino sa tamang proseso ng pag-a-apply abroad. For manpower pooling only, no fees in any form and or purpose will be collected from applicant. Beware of illegal recruiters and human traffickers. Ang kumpanyang Good Work sa Croatia ay kasalukuyang naghahanap ng waiters at cooks para sa kanilang hospitality and food service operation. Ito ay isang full-time job opportunity sa Europe na dumadaan ng Principalia Management and Personal Consultant Incorporation, isang kilalang trusted ng DMW accredited recruitment agency. Ang job order ay verified at active kaya siguradong legal ang process. Salary and benefits. According to market standards sa Croatia, ang kanilang sahod para sa hospitality workers for waiters aabot ng 47,530 to 67,900 per month. While ang cook naman, aabot ng humigit kumulang na 61,110 to 81,480 per month. Kasama rin ang mga karaniwang benepisyo tulad ng accommodation or housing assistance, standard work hours with pay overtime, health insurance at social protection, safe working environment. At higit sa lahat, tulad ng ibang DMW-approved Croatia job orders, no placement fee. Ito ang dahilan kung bakit maraming Pilipino ang nagtatarget ng trabaho sa Croatia kasi legal, safe, at may malinaw na employment standards. So for job and employment details, so ang posisyon ay waiter and cook. Ang employer dito ay Good Work sa Croatia and the Philippine agency naman ay si Principalia Management and Personnel Consultant Incorporation. This is a DMW licensed recruitment agency. So ang office address nila and their contact numbers and their email jobs@principalia.com. So for job validity as stated in POA jobs listing, verified and active, but you can check to yourself kasi time to time nag-iiba po yung update. So, qualification and requirements. So, based on their job post, for waiter, open for male or female with minimum of 3 years work experience with at least 2 years valid passport. For cook, minimum of 3 years work experience with at least 2 years valid passport. Okay, dito naman tayo sa documents and requirements. Updated resume with recent photo, valid passport, at least 2 years validity, NBI clearance for overseas employment, Certificate of Employment, Diploma or Form 137 or TOR, Training Certificate, Medical Clearance as required during processing, and POS Certificate, and e-registration from DMW website. So, how to apply step by step. I-prepare ang lahat ng documents, mag-submit ng application sa Principalia Management and Personal Consultants, or mag-email sa jobs@principalia.com. Maghintay ng screening at employee interview na ipapatawag ng agency. Kapag pasado, magsisimula ang medical exam, contract signing, and visa requirements. For DMW verification and agency check para sa proteksyon ng bawat aplikante, narito ang official verification channels. Maaari ring bumisita sa kanilang pinakamalapit na DMW Regional Office. Ayan, kung qualified ka at gusto mong i-grab ang pagkakataon na makapagtrabaho sa Croatia bilang waiter or cook, ihanda mo na ang updated resume. Malay mo, ito ng European opportunity na magbibigay ng mas mataas na sahod at mas magandang future para sa iyo at sa iyong pamilya. At syempre, para mas marami pang verified job updates, tips at legitimate opportunities abroad, lalo na yung mga DMW verified na wala talagang placement fee, huwag kalimutang i-like, share at mag-subscribe sa Recruit PH. Marami pa kaming content na siguradong makakatulong sa career journey mo. Stay updated, stay safe at good luck sa application mo.